Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Garmin Instinct 3, a rugged, adventure-ready smartwatch that's smarter and tougher than ever. Built to survive harsh conditions, it delivers sharper GPS, a brighter display, and longer battery life to keep you moving. From mountain trails to deep woods, from intense workouts to daily tracking, the Instinct 3 stays reliable, resilient, and ready whenever you are. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Garmin Instinct 3 smartwatch. Charging cable, and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. Meet the Garmin Instinct 3, featuring a fiber-reinforced polymer case, aluminum polymer bezel, strengthened glass, and silicone strap. It has a 1.2-inch AMOLED display, 390 by 390 resolution, an always-on option, and fits wrists 137 to 204 millimeters with quick-fit 22 millimeter bands. Powered by Garmin's chipset with 4 GB storage, it tracks heart rate, pulse ox, sleep, body battery, stress, respiration, hydration, women's health, and naps. Sensors include GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QSS, Beidou, SATI-IQ, altimeter, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, ambient light, and Garmin Elevate HR. With 10 ATM water resistance, it's rugged and adventure-ready. Battery lasts up to 18 days smartwatch, 7 always on. 24 days battery saver, 32 hours GPS, 23 hours multiband, 68 hours max GPS, 16 days expedition mode. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, ANT+, Connect IQ apps, notifications, Garmin Pay, and Garmin Share. Controls combine touchscreen and buttons with customizable power and redshift mode. Garmin OS delivers training status, readiness, suggested workouts, and Garmin Coach. Design and safety features include incident detection, assistance, live event sharing, multi-band navigation, trackback, alerts, morning report, large font mode, passcode, flashlight, and redshift display. Product features. The Instinct 3 is built to withstand harsh conditions with a fiber-reinforced polymer case, aluminum/polymer bezel, and chemically strengthened glass. Its silicone strap ensures comfort during long adventures, while 10 ATM water resistance makes it ideal for swimming, hiking, and extreme outdoor activities. It monitors heart rate, pulse ox, sleep patterns, body battery energy, stress, respiration, hydration, women's health, and even nap detection. These insights help you understand your body's performance, recovery, and overall wellness throughout the day. Equipped with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QSS, and Beidou, the watch offers precise location tracking. Features like trackback, breadcrumb navigation, elevation profiles, and storm alerts ensure you stay on course in any terrain, whether on trails, mountains, or open water. It delivers up to 18 days in smartwatch mode, 7 days always on, 32 hours GPS, and up to 16 days in expedition mode. It also supports notifications, Garmin Pay, Connect IQ apps, and customizable power modes, keeping you connected without compromising endurance. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The Garmin Instinct 3 features a simple and powerful button layout designed for quick control in any situation. The light button wakes the watch, illuminates the screen, and opens the controls menu. The Up menu button lets you scroll through widgets and access the main menu, while the Down ABC button gives you fast access to the altimeter, barometer, and compass. The GPS Start/Stop button opens your activities and lets you begin tracking with one press. And finally, the Back Set button returns you to the previous screen or records lapse during workouts. Everything is built for easy navigation, even on the move. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, place the watch face down on a soft surface. Locate the small quick-fit latch on the back of each strap and slide it inward with your fingernail to release the lock. Lift the band away from the watch lugs and repeat the same step for the other side. To attach a new strap, align the new band with the watch lugs, then hook the quick-fit end into place. Press the band down until you hear or feel it click securely. Gently tug the band to make sure it's locked in. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit, so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. To pair your Garmin Instinct 3 with your phone, first ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Then install the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play and log in or create an account. Turn on the watch by pressing and holding the light button, then follow the initial setup prompts, including language and time. When prompted to pair the phone, select Yes. The watch will display a QR code. Open Garmin Connect on your phone, scan the code, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, the watch and phone will sync, allowing you to configure additional preferences such as wrist orientation and notifications. If pairing fails, restart both devices, remove any previous pairings, keep the devices close together, and make sure both the app and watch firmware are up to date. How to charge? Connect the USB end of the charging cable to a power source and attach the charging clip to the watch's back, aligning the contacts. The watch will display a charging icon when charging begins. For best battery health, charge when low and avoid leaving it plugged in at 100% for long periods. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn the watch off. Press and hold the light button to turn it on. When the Garmin logo appears, press and hold the down button as well. Release the light button when you hear a vibration or see the logo again. Keep holding the down button until the reset prompt appears, then confirm. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Garmin Connect app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Garmin Instinct 3 is built tough with a rugged, fiber-reinforced polymer body, made for hikers, explorers, and anyone who pushes their gear hard. Meanwhile, the Venue 3 has a lighter polymer build and a more stylish smartwatch look that takes a sleeker, everyday approach. Display and sizes. The Instinct 3 packs a compact 1.2-inch AMOLED that's easy to read outdoors, rugged, reliable, and ideal for adventure use. But the Venue 3 steps it up with a larger, sharper AMOLED display that's brighter, smoother, and perfect for everyday smartwatch use. When it comes to endurance, the Instinct 3 is built for long adventures with up to 18 days in smartwatch mode. 32 hours GPS, and 16 days in expedition mode, while the solar version extends battery life even further with solar charging. The Venue 3, on the other hand, offers up to 8 days in smartwatch mode, up to 13 hours GPS, and balances strong battery performance with a full suite of wellness tools, smarter features, and a modern touchscreen interface. Pros and cons. The Garmin Vivoactive 6 is built for fitness and daily wear. Its battery lasts several days, tracking heart rate, pulse ox, sleep, stress, and a wide range of workouts. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for 24/7 use. On the downside, the 1.2-inch screen and polymer build feel less premium, and smartwatch features and third-party apps are limited. While it excels in health tracking and reliability, it trades off style and advanced smartwatch functions for practicality. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.